not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Who was brought back to India after 6 years of jail in Pakistan? Hamid Nehal Ansari, Kulbhushan Jadhav, Gajanan Sharma, Hafid Syed. The answer is A. Hamid Nehal Ansari was brought back to India after 6 years of jail in Pakistan. Now, Hamid Nehal Ansari is an Indian nationalist, a Mumbai-based engineer. He had spent around 6 years in a Pakistani jail on espionage charges. On November 12, 2012, he had crossed over Afghanistan border in Jalalabad to Peshawar in Pakistan, where he was arrested by the Pakistani intelligence. Who among the following were picked for the highest prizes in the IPL auction? Jaydev Unadkat, CV Varun. There's a mistake here. Option C should be none of the above, and D as both A and B. The answer is D, both A and B. Jaydev Unadkat and CV Varun, both of them picked for the highest prizes in the IPL auction. Now, Jaydev Unadkat picked up by Rajasthan Royals. They are paying him around 8.4 crore rupees. And CV Varun picked up by the Kings 11 Punjab, paying almost the same amount, equal to 8.4 crores. Now, CV Varun, he quit his job in the year 2014 to get back to the cricket. He belongs to the state of Tamil Nadu. India's longest railroad bridge to be inaugurated in which of the following states? Kerala, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat. The answer is B, Assam. Now, in the state of Assam, India's longest railroad bridge to be inaugurated. Now, the bridge is named as Bogibol Bridge in Assam, to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Christmas Day. Now, Thai Ahom community of Assam demands the bridge should be named after the founder of Ahom dynasty. Now, who is the founder of Ahom dynasty? It was Chowlong Siuka Pham. Ahom dynasty ruled Assam for more than 600 years. Changing India is the collection of writings and speeches of which of the following former Prime Minister of India? Manmohan Singh, I.K. Gujral, H.D. Devagowda, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The answer is A. Manmohan Singh. Changing India is the collection of writings and speeches of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Now, many people criticize Manmohan Singh, often referred as silent Prime Minister, but he says he wasn't afraid of press and the journalist indirectly targeting the present Prime Minister of India. He launched a 5-volume collection of his writings and speeches, recalls his experiences at managing the economy while he was the former finance minister as well as the Prime Minister of India. Which of the following Asian giant has become an economic superpower only behind United States, Singapore, China, Hong Kong, South Korea? The answer is B, China. Now, China has become the economic superpower only behind the United States. Deng Xiaoping, who was the mastermind behind the China's market reforms 40 years ago, the China's GDP has increased by 42 times between 1980 and 2017. Now, China ranks at world number 1 as the biggest exporter. China has the most number of richest persons in the country, including the Jack Ma, who is the founder of the Alibaba, tops the list. Now, China had improved so much in these 4 decades. What is the rank of India in World Economic Forum Gender Gap Index for 2018? 100, 105, 108 or 110? The answer is C. 108 is the rank of India in World Economic Forum Gender Gap Index released yesterday. Now, gender gap index is measured on 4 parameters: economic opportunity, political empowerment, education attainment, and health and survival. Remember these 4 points, very important if you're preparing for UPSC or State Public Service Commissions. And India ranks at 142 out of 149 countries in the economic opportunity. India ranks third lowest in the world on health and survival. Let's see the question for the day. Who becomes the first transgender to compete in Miss Universe pageant? Angela Pons, Vanessa Pons, Catriona Gray, Chiara Ortega. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who is the longest serving woman Chief Minister of India? Mamata Banerjee, Vasundhara Raje, Uma Bharti or Sheila Dikshit? The answer is D. Sheila Dikshit has rightly answered by few people in the comment section yesterday. Thank you all guys for following my videos. Now, Sheila Dikshit is the longest serving Chief Minister of Delhi. She served from 1998 to 2013. So, she served almost for 15 years. She is a member of Indian National Congress. So, this is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.